Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Caravan is a significant foray into the luxury recreational vehicle market by a brand associated with American automotive distinction. This project offers a bold reimagining of mobile living that might blend Cadillac's iconic design language with the realities of extended travel and residence. Even though it is still in the realm of speculative anticipation, Cadillac's evolving design philosophy, which is characterized by angular, sculpted lines, distinctive lighting features, and an air of refined elegance, would likely have a significant influence on the exterior of such a car. Imagine an attention-grabbing profile that highlights both aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic grandeur, perhaps with a large grille, unique vertical LED lighting features, and well-carved body panels. By incorporating upscale elements like large panoramic windows and polished chrome accents, it will further highlight its luxury positioning. Beneath this sophisticated exterior, one might expect a robust chassis built for stability and comfort, perhaps incorporating state-of-the-art suspension technologies for a comfortable ride. A balance between power and efficiency would likely be given priority by the powertrain, which could have an advanced gasoline or hybrid system that can easily push the big car over long distances. Modern driver assistance technologies, like those found in Cadillac's flagship cars, would undoubtedly be included to increase safety and usability. The interior of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Caravan would be a sanctuary of personalized luxury. Picture a luxurious living space with hand-carved wood veneers, expensive leather furnishings, and soft lighting that creates a cozy atmosphere. The layout, which would include a well-appointed sleeping area, a kitchenette with high-end appliances, and a thoughtfully designed bathroom, would likely prioritize space and functionality. Connectivity and entertainment while on the go would be provided by contemporary infotainment systems that blend seamlessly into the living space. Furthermore, the concept of a caravan element suggests the possibility of a flexible or modular design, perhaps incorporating detachable or expandable parts to enhance living space at a fixed location. This might be a new way of doing leisure travel since it combines mobility with comfort for longer stays. The market positioning of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Caravan would undoubtedly target affluent individuals seeking an opulent getaway without compromising the comforts of a luxurious home. It would most likely compete with other luxury RV manufacturers thanks to its unique blend of contemporary luxury and American automotive heritage. The success of such a vehicle would depend on Cadillac's capacity to modify its well-known brand values of performance, luxury, and technological innovation to meet the particular requirements of the recreational vehicle market and offer a mobile haven that embodies sophisticated adventure.